You have recently adopted a kitten? You are keen to ensure the best welcome possible? Please follow me. You have just adopted a kitten and you want to welcome him in the best possible way. The first few days are crucial to ensuring he experiences this big change without undue stress. He will go from a life lived together amongst kittens to an entirely human environment. He must find everything he needs in its new environment. It is important to provide your kitten with a safe place to sleep. He previously slept curled up against the other kittens in the litter, warm and surrounded by others. You can provide him with a comfortable rest area and a hot water bottle and let him sleep beside, but not necessarily in contact with, the bottle. Your kitten's diet should be adapted to his digestive tract and his feeding behavior. Food intake should be spread out over a 24-hour period. Your kitten must have access to food at night. Food distribution trays are recommended as the kitten can use its paws to feed. Learning cleanliness comes naturally to the feline species. It is nevertheless recommended to follow the tutorial dedicated to this purpose. The feline species is a solitary species. Your kitten doesn't need to meet other cats. On the other hand, you will have to become his play buddy. Games are a means for kittens to acquire hunting skills. It is by refining and repeating playful gestures that they teach themselves to catch edible prey. Cats can have more or less of a hunter temperament, and this character trait is largely genetic. Don't try to inhibit it, it's a waste of time and a source of frustration. Instead, try to satisfy his needs through games. To play, the kitten will need toys. You can either make them yourself or buy them. Toys can either roll or dangle. As for games, kittens can entertain themselves, but you can also use a battery-powered device or entertain them yourself. Some people caution against using laser games as it can allegedly be a source of frustration. But if the cat expresses its predatory behavior on the laser and not on its owners, then it fulfills its role. On the other hand, any games involving finger movement can induce harmful learning. As his behavior develops, the kittens will become interested in mobile and easy-to-find prey. From the age of 5 to 6 months, predatory attacks will become much more intense and result in real bites. If the owners believe that the kitten should fend for itself, his predatory attacks may target the calves and feet of humans passing by. The kitten hides and, by surprise, throws himself on its owners. This is particularly the case for the female gender, which squeals, recalling its preference for rodent-like prey.